Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lumbi and here is my morning routine.
Before I start, I would love for all of you to know that this facial routine is for all skin types, that is the dry skin, the normal skin, and the oily skin. I personally have an oily skin and this routine works perfectly on me. For those with oily skin, it is recommended to exfoliate or scrub your face 2 to 3 times a week and not more than that. If you have a sensitive skin, please seek a dermatological help. So first I'm going to prepare my honey and sugar lip scrub where I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is an exfoliation scrub and we are on the month of July in Dar es Salaam, so it is very windy and the lips tend to be dry and dehydrated. So first I'm going to start with the application of the facial scrub. This is a yogurt scrub and then I'll proceed with the lip scrub, the one that I created before. For the facial scrub, I'm going first to wet my face and then I'm going to apply it smoothly with a circular motion. So this scrub is very nice in removing any dark spots, if you have acne, and also if you have any pregnancy marks, as it can also be used for the whole body. So I'm going to apply my lip scrub on my lips and I'm going to gently massage my lips. So for this lip scrub, it helps in removing dryness of the lips, helping to make the lips smooth, softer as well as moist, and it prevents dehydration of the lips that may cause swelling and bleeding of the lips. And then I'm going to let it set for 10 minutes and I'm going to take my clean wet cloth and remove all the scrub from my lips. After cleansing my lips, I'm also going to clean my face with only water.
So this is my face after I cleaned off the facial scrub. Oh man, it is so smooth.
Now I'm going to use my Black African soap. Guys, I would really recommend this for any sensitive skin because I actually had a friend who was using this and she had a lot of pimples and a lot of acne and dark spots. I really recommend for any kind of person who is having major issues with their faces, this soap works magic.
So for me, normally after everything that I did before, I usually go and take a shower. So I start with the rest of the body, then when I let this dry off, then yeah, I clean up my face, then I'll show you the next step.
After a good and the perfect shower, I normally moisturize my lips and I'm going to use a Vaseline Lip Therapy to moisturize my lips, but normally I prefer to use shea butter on my lips. So here I'm going to use my Lemon Glow Serum, and it is very important to moisturize your face after scrubbing it as it gets dry. And this serum is mixed with argan natural oil. This oil has anti-aging effect and also it adds a little glow to your skin. Lastly, I'm going to use my 100% natural African shea butter. Guys, shea butter is perfect for all skin types. It smoothens the skin, it removes dark marks, it can also be applied on your body, it removes stretch marks, it heals wounds. Guys, you really need this for your skin.
So guys, this marks the end of our tutorial. For the products I use, I'm going to put them in the description box down below. I used body scrub. This is the yogurt body scrub. I got it from Vaseline Cosmetics. You can check her Instagram. And also I used an African shea butter. This is 100% natural. I also got it from the same place. My lip therapy, I also got it from Vaseline Cosmetics. And my lemon glow serum, I got it from a certain shop in Dar es Salaam. I'll put it in the description box down below. And lastly, I used my homemade lip scrub. This is honey and sugar lip scrub, which I showed you how to make it, and I hope this is going to change your facial routine game. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, to put in thumbs up if you like this video, and comment if you have any suggestions or feedback. I love you all. Pass God. Bye bye. Mwah.